Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. How are you?
Thank you. I'm fine. I'm perfect. Yeah.
That's
How are
good.
you?
Good. I'm okay. Thank you. Not too bad. How was your day today?
I started my English course
Mm,
with children,
mm.
and um, it was good. But I'm worried. I was worried, or I worried.
I am worried. Am.
Mm,
Mm.
Yes,
You are
I'm
still
worried.
worried now. Yes?
No, I'm worried then.
Oh,
I
was.
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 Yes, I was
Mm.
worried about that my lesson will my lesson boring is boring for them
Wait.
for
Oh,
students.
your private students.
Yeah.
Oh, you did the first one today?
Yes, I have my own 8 students.
8?
Yes.
The last time we chatted, you had 1.
No, 8.
Awesome.
One group consists of 8 or 10 students.
That's great. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. So how long was your lesson? How
1 hour.
many minutes? Okay.
1
And
hour.
you said you were worried that they were going to be bored.
Yes, because when we did exercises, I was worried about that they want to play the games or other activities.
They're adults, right? How old are they?
No, they 10,
Oh,
between 10 and 12
okay.
years old.
Okay.
And the next lesson, I prepared for them some games.
Yes, I think that's a good mix. If maybe one lesson you do serious stuff and the
Yeah.
next lesson you do games.
Yes, I
Yes,
made cards for them
yes,
yesterday.
yes.
I will send you
Okay.
after lesson.
That's so nice. It's awesome that you've got private students. You know, it's extra income for you. It's extra practice for your teaching. It's extra practice for your English. So what level are all of them?
We started with elementary.
Okay.
Yeah, with
Okay.
elementary.
And they, I think they get English lessons at school. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And do they go, are they kids that you know? Do you know them?
Yes, I know them, but
Okay.
some of them I didn't know because they studied the other classes,
Okay.
Kyrgyz classes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mhm.
Kyrgyz, what do you mean Kyrgyz classes?
We
Your
have two categories, yes?
right.
Two
Yes.
categories. Mhm. The first Russian language,
Yeah.
we teach with Russian language,
Yeah.
and the second with Kyrgyz language.
Ah, so there's like 2 groups of students in one school. One group of students gets all their lessons in Russian, and the other group, all of them. Okay,
Mhm.
I got you. That's really interesting. So then it's once, how often? Once a week.
3 times.
Oh, wow.
Mhm.
Wow. That's quite a lot for them, I think. And they enjoyed the lesson.
Yeah.
Did you
I'm
enjoy the
afraid
lesson?
about my own courses
Yeah.
because it's new etap. Just a moment. It's new stage of my life.
Yes. 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 It's important to keep growing, I think, with
Yes,
your
and I
life.
wish
And yeah,
they come back to me for the
yeah,
second
yeah,
lesson.
yeah. Beautiful. I, I think if they were smiling by the end of the day, by the end of the lesson, if they were smiling, then it's a good sign. I think
Yes.
it's a
We
good
have
sign.
enjoy and um, they studied well at school
Mm,
and studied well today.
mm, mm.
And it was easy
Yeah,
for me.
yeah,
And
because they're interested.
yes.
Yes, yes. That's the most important thing is for the student to be interested. I had a Russian student, a young man. He was 14, or he is 14 years old. And the first lesson we had was fun for me. He chatted and we chatted, and it was a lot of fun. But the second lesson, I could see he was playing on his computer. And I said to him, do you want to
Mm,
be here? Do you want to learn? Yes, yes, I want to learn. And I said, because if you don't talk to me, it's boring. It's boring for me and it's boring for you. You know, both people, both the teacher and the students need to be
yes.
interested. I want to help you with the pronunciation of the word own. Own. I can
Owen.
hear Owen. Yeah.
Owen.
Owen is the name of
Owen.
a person. It's a man's
Ah,
name. Yes. So
Owen.
yeah, own.
Owen.
Yeah.
Owen.
And
Mm,
any word that has the OWN. So for example, shown,
Owen.
the W and the N is together.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, sorry. Owen.
Mm,
Owen.
mm.
Owen. Owen is
It's a
name.
man's name or a boy's name. Yeah. It's a boy's name. Okay. So what have you got? What are your questions for today?
Today our lesson about animals,
Oh, yay.
about
I love animals.
yes, pets and wild animals.
Okay. That's wild animals is something that not a lot of people know the difference between wild animals and pet animals. Often I've asked a student, what's your favorite wild animal? And they'll be very surprised at my question. What do you mean? What's a wild
Mm.
animal? Yeah. Yeah. So it's
Okay.
okay.
The first question,
Mm-hmm.
have you got any pets?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I've got
I didn't
pets.
know that. What
Yes,
pets do you have?
I, I have 4 cats.
Four?
Yes, and 2 dogs.
Wow.
2 dogs and 2 sheep.
Sheep, no S. Yeah, just sheep.
Ah, yes, yes.
Yeah. So how many
Uh,
is that? That's 5, 6, 7, 8. 8
yeah.
pets? Wow.
I have a lot of cats
Mm,
because in spring and autumn we have a lot of mice.
mice.
Yes.
Oh,
And they are live not at yeah, into the home. They
inside.
live
Yeah.
outside.
Yeah.
Yes, and do their work.
So do you feed them? Do you,
Yes, sometimes.
yeah.
Some,
Yeah. But their job is to catch the mice.
yes, when they ask me, give me some some food.
Yeah. Yeah. And then so they come and ask you for food and then you feed them.
Yes.
Ah. Do you think it's an effective way to control the mice? Is it a good way to keep the mice numbers down? Yeah.
We have a lot of field mice. A little,
They're little. Yes.
yes, field mice. Yes,
Yes. Yes,
it's
there are
right.
field.
Field
Yes.
mice.
Yes. 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 We have a lot of field mice, the little mice. And I assume that they come inside your house, the mice.
But no,
They don't.
no.
Okay.
They don't. If if the winter is too cold,
Yeah.
I let them um, come to home,
Come inside.
come inside.
Yeah.
Yes, come inside.
Yeah. Do they allow you to touch them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love them. I
Yeah.
love them
Yeah.
because they're cute.
Yeah.
I um, just a moment, Ashimik. I always buy for them the color. No, color.
Yes.
Yes,
Collar.
color.
Yes.
Color.
Yeah.
It's против болот. Так, anti-flea color.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
anti-flea color.
Anti-flea collar. Normally we would just say flea collar. Just a flea collar. Yeah.
Only flea color.
Only, yeah. Yeah.
Mhm.
If you say flea collar, then I know that you
Yes.
mean it's anti-fleas. Yeah.
Mhm.
But English people are quite lazy. I've said this before. We're quite lazy. If we can make the sentence shorter, then we'll make it shorter.
Flea color.
Yeah.
They always wear flea color
Yeah. Yeah.
because I love them.
Yeah. How old are they? Are they all are they old cats or young cats?
Two mothers and
Yeah.
two daughters. The
Oh,
mothers 4 or 3 years old.
yeah.
Maybe one of them 5 years old. But the daughters about 7 months.
Okay. And okay. And so the mothers will continue to have more
Yes.
kittens in future? Okay. So they haven't been sterilized.
But now I made no. I what? Up. Just a moment. I made an injection. Yeah. That I wouldn't give birth.
Oh, okay. 1 second.
Yes.
So sterilized for animals is to give them an operation, surgery, so that they cannot have babies. But so this injection is you must have it regularly, like once a year or something?
They told me that it's when I gave the injection for 2 times.
Yeah.
They never will be. They will never be able to have babies. Yeah. I forget about this word. Neighbor.
Okay, if I give the injection twice, they will not.
Never give birth?
Yes, you can say they will never be able to give birth or fall pregnant.
Pregnancy.
Is that the word you're looking for? Fall pregnant or reproduce.
Reproduce. Because they give birth only the female. Only female. And they all, if they all the time.
Yeah, they can have a lot of cats. A lot of cats.
And I have flies and mosquitoes.
Like we also have flies and mosquitoes. They drive us crazy.
My pets.
More pets. Unwelcome pets.
Sometimes sometimes some of them flies here,
They,
and I'm
yes.
worried about your recording.
Oh, no, that's okay. That's okay. I sometimes have flies here also. No, it's no problem. Tell me a little bit about the dogs. Where did you get, but first, where did you get the cats from? Did you get them from a neighbor? The moms, the mother
No,
cats.
they came from the street.
Okay. So you adopted them, I think, from the
Yes.
street. Yeah. You're like me. I just want to bring all the cats inside. I look out the window and I see cats and I'm like, oh, let's have them all inside. I love them.
When my children took them from the street,
Mm.
I say them, no, take away.
Yes, I can't feed them. I'm feeding you already. I don't want to feed more. Yeah.
Yes, because for my dogs, I buy every day bread and other feed. Feed.
Yes.
No, feeding.
Food,
Feed. Food.
dog food. Yeah.
And dog food.
Yeah.
But no, I can't buy dog food. It's expensive.
Right. It's
Yes.
is it so in Portugal I have a friend who she's got 5 dogs, and for her it's cheaper to buy meat, to buy chicken. The chicken here is quite cheap. It's cheaper for her to buy chicken than dog food. The dog food is more expensive than the chicken for her. So I understand what you mean. So, and where did you get your dogs from? And are they also your pets? Do they come inside or do they stay outside like the cats?
I feed my dogs with our leftovers and bread.
Right, right. And where did you get them from? The
They
street.
come from street. Came from street.
Your house is like an orphanage for animals. Like a house for lost animals. I use the word orphanage.
My children said that we must help them, and
Yes.
then we will give their to somebody. But they stayed
Yeah.
with us,
That's
and
what
we
happened.
love it.
Yes. No, they never go. I have a friend in Turkey who she had 4 dogs and then one dog appeared. She lives in a village. One dog appeared. And so she said, okay, I'll look after the dog, but just for 1 week or 2 weeks. And the dog never left. He's still there. Now they've got 5.
Did you have any pets in Turkey?
Oh, that's such a difficult question. So
I want to know
we
where
went, yes,
they
yes.
stay
So we
when they
went,
arrive.
we went, we went on holiday. When we were in Turkey, we went on holiday for 2 or 3 weeks. And when we came back, Turkey has a lot of street animals, a lot of street animals. And so when we came back, there was this tiny, tiny little kitten by the swimming pool. And so we started talking to him. He was such a sweetheart. We started talking to him, and then he was being attacked by the adult street cats, and he started to get injuries. Yeah. So I said to my husband, I can't let him sleep outside. I must bring him inside. I will try to find him a home. Okay, my husband said. So we bring him inside and he's very sweet. And then one day he came with a friend, an older cat. Yes, an older cat. And they were so cute together. Used to play together in the garden and very cute. And I said, it was a female cat. I said, she can't come inside. I've got one cat. I don't need another cat. Then at nighttime, when we were inside, She used to sit on my windowsill. Do you know what a windowsill is? Windowsill.
No.
The small, like little outside your window, there's a little
Yes.
shelf. Yes, that's your windowsill. She used to sit on the windowsill and she would look at me through the window like this. Just stare at me like really scary. And then eventually I let her inside and I said, okay, now I've got 2 cats that I need to find homes for. And then he disappeared. We saw him in the complex, but he disappeared and he wouldn't come back. And then eventually we found her a home in the UK with a family in the UK. So I don't have pets now, but the whole family wants a cat at least. But the owner of our apartment doesn't want us to have a cat. So I don't know, but I would like one. I would like one.
We can have a pet if we live in a house, in the ground, in the
Right.
ground. But,
Yeah.
if you live in an apartment,
Yeah.
it's difficult to care about them.
Yes. 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 And so do your sheep also come from the street? Are they also sheep, street sheep?
Okay. And the next question.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen animals in the wild?
Yeah.
I didn't know because I
Don't
used
know.
to go fishing for
Yeah.
fishing.
Yeah.
And
Go fishing. Just no for, just go fishing. Yeah.
Okay. I used to go fishing and on the field,
Yeah.
I saw the ground squirrel.
It's a
Ground
wild animal?
I don't know. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
They stay and bask on the sun.
No, say that again. They
stay
Yeah.
on the 2 legs.
Yeah. Oh, stand up on 2
Yes.
legs. Yes.
Yes, 2 legs.
Yes.
And bask on the sun.
In the sun. Ah, I got you.
Yes.
Bask in the sun is like, I can just imagine.
Didn't move.
Yes.
Didn't move.
Lovely and warm on their bellies, I assume. Oh, yes. Yeah.
I like that. And what did you see and where? Yes, in the field. Other wild places I didn't go.
Yeah.
To other wild
Yeah.
places.
So, and do you have a zoo in Bishkek?
I didn't go in Bishkek, but I went to neighbor village.
Yeah.
They came to us. Yes, came to us.
The village came to you?
Yes. No. A little zoo.
Yeah.
Came to our neighbor village.
Oh. Can you explain? For me, a zoo is quite a big area.
Big. Yes.
And a zoo doesn't move for me. A zoo stays in the same place and people go to the zoo.
Yes. They drive cars with cages with wild animals.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay.
It's not expensive.
Yeah.
It's not expensive.
Yeah.
But when I was there, I felt sorry about this.
Caged animals, yeah. Yeah. I can completely understand that feeling. It's I don't particularly like zoos, but they do have an educational value. Yeah. If you go to a zoo and you see an animal that you've never seen and that probably you will never see in your life. For example, polar bears, that live in the Arctic. It's really cold and I don't imagine that I would ever go there, but I've seen one in a zoo. So I don't like zoos particularly, but yeah. And this one, it's the first thing I thought is that it's very old-fashioned. It's an old-fashioned way to see a wild animal.
Yes, and they starving, they
Oh,
thirsty, and
yeah.
it was, I think it was a hottest day in the
I,
summer,
mm,
and I felt sorry about them.
mm,
I disagree
mm, mm.
about
Yeah,
them.
yeah,
Because I think that all of the animals must live in their own
yeah.
own environment,
Own
own
environment. Yes,
environment. And
yes.
if we can't go there
Yeah,
to see them,
yeah.
we can see them in the internet,
Mm, mm,
BBC.
mm, mm, mm.
But we have people who save their lives in dangerous situations and help them, and then they так, uh,
Maybe
when people
release.
can find lost and weak animals, they
Yes,
help them and
yes.
go free, go free.
Set them free. They set them
Mhm.
free.
like like Greenpeace.
Yes, for animals. So
This
the places are there a lot of places like this in Kyrgyzstan? A lot of animal, what would I call them? Maybe an animal sanctuary? Animal sanctuary. 1 second. I'm spelling it wrong. Sanctuary. I can't see it. So dark, so light here. Hold on a sec for me. Animal sanctuary. There you go. Like a safe place for animals to go where
yes,
they yeah. Are there a lot of them in Kyrgyzstan or not very many? And where do they get money from to look after the animals?
I didn't hear about similar
Okay.
organizations in Pakistan.
Okay. Okay. So if there is an animal that is a wild animal or even a dog or a cat, they're called domestic animals, right? Domestic animals are sheep and cows and dogs and cats and that type of thing, domestic animal. Where do you go if an animal like that is sick?
Ветеринарная клиника. It's a pet's hospital
Mm-hmm.
for
Veterinary
help.
hospital.
Pet
So,
hospital.
so the
Domestic
full name, the the veterinary.
veterinarian.
Yes. Hospital.
It's like Russian veterinar.
Okay, close. Or vet. We simply say
Veterin-
vet. I took my cat to the vet.
Veterinary hospital or vet. Yes.
And it's the same word for the hospital and the person, the doctor. The vet said that my cat ate too many mice. You know, the doctor, the name of the doctor, and the name of the hospital is vet. So you have vets, then, and do you have, are all of them private? So are they private? If I ask if an institution is private or public, then I'm asking if it's owned by the government, being public, or owned by a person or company, being private.
Это частная клиника.
you there? Hello? You there? You can hear me now, yes? Okay, so private
Yes,
company owned by a person.
private clinic.
Ah, they're private. Yeah, yeah,
Private clinic.
right. And
It's like my own course.
yeah, yeah. And do
My own
you,
student.
yes, do you, I think you must pay, is it expensive to take your animals
Yeah.
to, yeah, yeah. Do you have a, is there a public hospital, a public vet, like a government vet? Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you,
Yeah.
and you can go there. I suppose you have to, in South Africa, you have to show how much money you earn when you go to a public hospital. You have to show how much money you earn, and they will charge you according to how much money your salary is. If you have a high salary, they charge you a high amount of money. If you have a low salary, yeah, they will charge you little money or no money, depending on how much you earn.
Yes, it's good for poor people.
Yeah, it's good for poor people, but for people who work, no. You may as well go
Yeah.
to a private
Yeah.
clinic. But yeah, our time is up.
Okay, our next.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
I will see you next
Thank you
time,
very much.
Saturday. Yeah, my pleasure.
Yes. Thank you. Have a
Pleasure.
nice day.
Bye, hun.